So good morning, dear students. Hope you are learning well at your homes. So I'm going to start a new topic, tenses. And before I start that topic, let me introduce you with another important topic, that is three forms of verb. If you are not acquainted with, if you don't know about these three forms of verb, then you will feel problem in understanding tenses, because there is a lot of use of these three forms of verb in the tenses. So for that purpose I designed this for you. So let's have a look. This is three forms of verb. Okay, you can note them down, whatever is there I am discussing. You can also note this down in your notebooks. Okay, because this is something that you will need many times while solving the English grammar problems. This is very important for many of the chapters, to understand many of the chapters of English grammar. So these three forms of verb are very important. So you must listen to me very carefully, and if you once listen to me very carefully and you need to learn them, if you understand this, how this conjugation of verb happens, then you will not feel any problem in understanding. Okay, so let's see. Let me shorten this. Okay, now you can see here you can see three forms of verb. This is a table number 1. You can also note make a table in your grammar notebook. Okay, this is the three forms of verb. This is a three forms of verb, and this is table number 1. And in this table I have included those verbs that have all forms same. Means what are the forms of verb? There are three forms of verb. What are these three forms of verb? Verb first form, verb second form, and verb third form. Verb first form is also known as present form. Verb first form is also known as present form of verb. Verb second form is known as past form of verb. Verb third form is known as past participle form of verb. Never get confused. Some of the children, they think that the third form is the future form. No, third form is known as past participle, PARTICIPLE, past participle form of the verb. So in this way, this is to keep in mind that verb first form is known as present form of the verb, verb second form is known as the past form of the verb, and verb third form is known as the past participle form of the verb. Now here in this table I have kept those verbs whose these three forms. We know that there are three forms of the verb: verb first form, verb second form, and verb third form. So I kept in this table number 1 only those verbs that have their all forms same, means their verb first form. If you know the verb first form, you can easily understand that verb second and third form will be the same as the verb first form. Verb first form is also known as verb present form of the verb. We also call it root form of the verb. Keep in deep of your mind. Okay, so here we can see that the first word is given there, cut. If we know the cut, we know that in this table, if we know that this verb is in this table number 1, then table number 1 all the forms are same. If you know that cut is the table number 1 verb, then you can easily understand, you can easily remember that all the three forms will be the same. If you see the cut, all the three forms will remain cut only. This is very easy to learn. But only you need to keep in mind that this verb is in this table number 1. Next it is your put, put, You can see put, hit, shut, bet means शर्त लगाना, bid, bust, tire bust, something that burst, tire burst, balloon burst. Okay, if you press the balloon it burst. So something, if there is a lot of pressure then it burst. So this is burst. All the three forms will remain the same. Cast, you throw something. Another word is cast. No other, there cost, 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 value of something, cost. Read, all the three forms same. Read, but we say, we in pronunciation we change it, like read, read, but the spelling remains the same, so I kept it over here. Read, read, but the spelling there is no difference. read. Is that clear? And the same way hurt. If you hit somebody and it got some harm to him, so it is got, let's say he or she has got hurt. Like split, to divide something. Split. And spread. Spread is another verb that has got all the three forms. So these are the verbs. You can note them down by taking the screenshots there. Alright, so these were what? Your three forms of the verb. All the three forms same. This was the table number 1. So this table number 1 is clear to you. Now I tell you about the table number 2. Table number 2 includes the verbs that have two forms same. Means verb second and verb third form will be the same. Two forms are the same. Means there are three forms of the verb first form, second form and verb third form. In table number 2 I have kept those verbs whose second and third forms are the same. You can see what I am saying. I am saying that if here I kept that whose second and third forms are the same. I kept those kind of verbs. Okay, like a catch, first form, present form, and then caught, caugst, caught and caught. If you know the second form, the third form already comes. So because these two forms are the same. Okay, so catch, caught, bring, brought, buy, bought. Okay, so here you can see that if you know the second form, then third form automatically it will come, because second and third forms are the same. So it is very easy to learn. We only need to keep in mind that this is the verb that comes in the table number 2. You can note them down, like catch, caught, bring, brought, buy, bought, teach, taught, think, thought, make, made. Everybody knows make, made and made. These are the second and third form. They are the same. Tell, told, sell, sold, send, sent, build, built, find, found, sit, sat, stand, stood. So these are the certain verbs that I kept in the table number 2. Important piece of verbs. So these are kept under table number 2, and you can increase the number. Okay, if you find some verb that has two forms same. Okay, so I left one line in the middle that you can fill. But the verb should be authentic. You must look into the book or in the net. If it's not that you write any verb with yourself. Okay, all the three forms must be there, either in some grammar book or in or you can search from the net. You can increase their number. Okay, in the table number 2 you can find also those verbs that have got two forms same, like verb second and verb third form same. So and you need to learn them and keep them in mind, because all the chapters of grammar they are based on these three forms of the verb. If you don't know these three forms of the verb, there will be a lot of problem in understanding the difficult chapters of the grammar, whether it's tenses or when you go in the next classes, higher classes 6, 7, 8, there you will get active passive voices and direct and reported speech. Everywhere this is used so much in the English language. So this is advised to you that learn this very carefully and understand it. And this is very easy to learn also by making a table. And there was the first table in all the three forms the same. Now this is the second table. In this table, two forms are the same. Second and third forms are the same. Okay, now comes our table number 3. This table number 3 is the easiest. It is the easiest. How? It is called ed verb. Table 3 is ed verbs. Means it is also known as regular verbs. Means only simply you add ed in the first form and you will get the second and third form. Like you can see, talk, talked, talked. You can see here, talk, and ed you added, talked, talked. Ed verbs. Second and third form can directly be. We can directly get second and third form by adding ed in the first form of the verb. So this is very easy. It's the most easy table. And for your kind information, I would like to tell you that this table is the biggest table of all the verbs. Means most of the verb in the world, they come under this table number 3, ed verbs. Okay, like talk, talked, walk, walked, walked, jump, jumped, jumped, and play, played. Okay, sow, sowed, smile, smiled, laugh, laughed, pray, prayed, remember. Those verbs that you don't think that they may be the verbs, they are remembered, memorized. Means if there is I am going to tell you about 4 tables. Okay, if you find any this is the third table. If any word, if it is not coming in table number 1, if it is not coming in table number 2, if it is not coming in table number 4, then it will go in table number 3, ed verbs. Okay, I will tell you another one. Okay, one more table is remaining, table number 4, in which all forms are different. If all the three tables there is no word, then it will certainly go in ed verbs table. Okay, if you don't find, then it will go to this ed verbs. Okay, like this is the maximum number of verbs are there in this group. And like describe, another any verb you find, describe, you don't know the 3 forms of the verb, and you simply add ed, describe. So this is what the biggest table, and you can add in the words at your own also by looking into the different grammar books and searching from the internet, on Google and all that. And the last comes our table number 4. Table number 4 is all the 3 forms different. You need to learn. They can't be derived. You can't add anything to get them, and neither any form is the same. All the 3 forms are the different. You must be learning this. Otherwise, you can't do this. Like write, wrote, written. If you don't learn, you may do mistake. Write, wrote, written. There is nothing you can add or to get something else, or no forms are same. So you must learn them. Okay, this table is must to be learned. And like go, went, gone, and you see fly, flew, flown, fall, fell, fallen, drink, drank, drunk, swim, swam, swum, sing, sang, sung, come, came, come. Though come and the first and third are the same, but it is kept in all the 3 different forms. Come, came, come. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Okay. Do, did, done. And steal, stole, stolen. And speak, spoke, spoken. Okay, so these are the 3 forms of the verbs that you need to learn before we head towards the next chapter, that is tenses. This is of immense importance. You can learn it and you can note them down in your grammar notebook. Okay, and learn them well. Okay, they will be beneficial for the upcoming chapters of the grammar. All right. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.